Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganit Shiksha. As this channel is based on mathematics, so here you will get all the latest updates and more important discussions related to mathematics. Today, I am here to discuss with you about most important chapter trigonometry, and this is the part 2 of it from the class 10 CBSE and ICSE board. Before to start, those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. So let's start the today's topic, that is complementary angles. So now we can see that the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Sum of two angles is 90 degree, that you know from the complementary angles property. For the two angles complementary, the condition is their sum should be 90 degree. If we take two angles A and B, so A plus B will be 90. So from there we can get B equal to 90 degree minus A or A equal to 90 degree minus B. So now we will find the trigonometric ratios of these complementary angles formed, and we will consider the acute angle as theta. So let me show you now. So see these trigonometric ratios. Sine 90 degree minus theta will be cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus theta gives sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta gives cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta gives tan theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta gives sec theta, and sec 90 degree minus theta gives cosec theta. So you can see sine and cos both are complementary to each other. Tan and cot both are complementary to each other. Cosec and sec both are also complementary to each other. So we got the pair of complementary angles in trigonometric ratios form. See the very important sum. Prove that tan 20 degree, tan 35 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 55 degree, tan 70 degree equals to 1. We need to find the value of LHS equals to 1. So here we will use complementary angles form. How to find that this sum is from the complementary angles or not? If whatever the given angles, if you found that sum of the two angles are coming 90, then it will use as complementary angles. Here you can see 20 degree and 70 degree gives 90, 35 and 55 will give 90. So we will take these 20 and these 70 together, 35 and 55 together. So let me show you now. Tan 20 degree, tan 70 degree, again tan 35 degree, tan 55 degree, and leaving tan 45 degree because we know the value of tan 45. Now as 20 and 70 is 90, so we will change only one angle. We are changing 70, so 20 remains same, and this 70 can be written like 90 degree minus 20 degree. Similarly, 35 remains same, and 55 can be write like 90 degree minus 35 degree into tan 45 gives 1. We know the value of tan 45 is 1 from the degree table. Now this tan 20 degree remains same, and tan 90 minus theta that we got as cot theta, so into cot 20 degree into tan 35 degree into cot 35 degree into 1 is nothing. So now we will use the property of the reciprocal of tan is cot, so we can write 1 by tan 20 degree. This is tan 35 into 1 by tan 35 degree. You can see these trigonometric ratios have been cancelled, so we are getting answer is 1. So we got our proof and this is one of the important sum. Like that, various type of maths you are having with this complementary angles form. Another important sum in triangle ABC, prove that cos A plus B whole divided by 2 equals to sin C by 2. Here it is given angle A, angle B and angle C are the three angles from the triangle ABC. So let me show you now how to prove this. It's one of the important. Since A, B, C is a triangle, therefore A plus B plus C 180 degree. We have A plus B together, so we will shift C there in the RHS. A plus B 180 degree minus C. Now it is A plus B by 2, so we will divide both sides by 2. So that 180 degree minus C by 2. So that A plus B by 2 equals to 90 degree minus C by 2. Okay, by part 180 by 2 gives 90 and C by 2. Now we have cos, so taking cos on both sides, so we are getting cos A plus B by 2 equals to cos of 90 degree minus C by 2, and we know cos 90 degree minus theta gives sin theta, so it will give sin C by 2, and hence we got the proof. So this is one of the important sum, and this type of questions you will get in various books, and one of the most important sum that we have solved.
Thanks for watching the full video of these complementary angles. Hope you have liked this video. If you really like it, please click on the like button and share it to your friends, groups and mates. Also give your important comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching this classroom video of part 2 trigonometry.